We present the best option in high flow rate flexible connectors, the TUCAI Extra Twist connectors range. Its main features are its extreme flexibility thanks to its corrugated construction, which guarantees a constant flow rate and high resistance against collapsing. With an extensive line ranging from DN19 to DN50, Extra Twist is ideal for connecting HVAC equipment, industrial pumps, and water meters. This new flexible connector range is made up of an antibacterial inliner that complies with the European Water Directive, the objective of which is to ensure the adequate quality of drinking water when it comes out of the tap. Furthermore, the stainless steel braiding that covers the inliner together with the fiber washers are of a very high quality. Its optimum curvature radius means that it can be installed in the most confined spaces. The inner tubbing has a very high resistance to chemicals. The entire Extra Twist range is 100% leak tested, thus ensuring a long lifespan. TUCAI, connectors for life.